Well, I'm standing on the pleasure trail, and this is, from what I understand, this is right where the fire started. Oh, well, I just climbed up Debecks because they just opened it this past week, and I haven't been up here. I guess I was up here once in April, and oh, there's my first burnt. Oh yeah, you can see all the burn. You can see the fire break right here. Those trees don't look stable, but they still got green on them, so it totally was a ground fire. Oh yeah, the fire came right in over here. You can just fully engulfed in here. Oh, well, I just climbed up Debecks because they just opened it this past week, and I haven't been up here. I guess I was up here once in April, and yeah, so since the fire, and what you can see on the trees here, that's all the fire retardant they dropped in here, all the red. And wow, there's lots. It's rained, but not enough to wash it away. Look at it in the trees. But they dropped the retardant for those, the infrastructure, so kind of important. That's our cell service right there, and I live in the condo below there, and honestly, my cell service is terrible, TELUS. Just doesn't even work. But okay, let's go. Rigs and Zen. It has been a while since I have been on this trail. That is the ultimate line there. Phew. Oh. You think that trail's hooped?
It all connects.
But did it get fired out, or?
So
That's what I'm wondering.
yeah. So these are the same trails, right? They pinch right there. They connect.
Oh, that's all it does?
Oh yeah. Someone just put this in to
keep.
a little rider,
You know what? It's been I haven't been up here this year, so.
Yeah. So I'd say this whole section to the junction with Riggs, or sorry, the junction
with Pleasure Trail
is all fine.
Yeah, I heard Pleasure Trail's kind of hooped.
Down
the bottom.
I'd say someone in the afternoon can fix it up.
Oh, cool.
Just a bridge out, mixing it all up, and I'm active again.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Anyway.
All right, well, I'm going to
enjoy the rides.
Carry on and discover the redness.
Yeah, totally.
All right, have a good one. Oh, there's my first burnt. Oh yeah, you can see all the burn there. So you wouldn't really want to go down that side. Look at this. Well, you can smell it pretty good, but that's to be expected. Yeah, I wouldn't venture off on the right side up here. Totally in a burn zone. Oh yeah, look at that. This is probably going to take me a bit longer, but it's definitely, you can see the fire break right here. Those trees don't look stable, but they still got green on them, so it totally was a ground fire down here. Wow, it'll recover. I always get these lines. Oh, that one's a new one. Look at those roots. Crazy. Oh, there's a new line through here. Why there's an alternate there, I don't know. The original line is definitely the best one. But you definitely slide out getting into that corner. Oh, it's all good.
Good.
Does it ever smell, eh? Still. You can see any fire down this way? Yeah, there's lots up there. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, they did a great job in containing this. Oh. They really protected the trail well. It was definitely the fire break because there's so far nothing on the other side of the trail here. It's all on the highway side. Whoa. You. Imagine racing on this. But now we're getting back into the Alice Lake and Jack's Trail side, and there's like no evidence of a fire now. So that's pretty good. This is plural of Nemesis. Definitely, I think it's only rated a single, but it's a double. But it might be rated a double. Oh yeah, don't forget this line. Whoa, sneaky. Oh, okay. Here's the reason I came to plural. was to check out the fire. So the pleasure trail, honestly, okay, so the pleasure trail is just on the other side over here. And so the pleasure trail probably fully got engulfed in flames. That's where the fire started. But I'm gonna go down here, and then I was gonna go over to the pleasure trail and then have a look. So this is the zone I normally ride, which is over down some gnarly rocks in there. But I'm gonna go this way because I really want to have a look at what happened over here. Like, I guess they're dropping buckets of water right here. But that tree looks like, yeah, it's gonna, look at the roots. Like, it's gonna be going over. Oh. Oh, and that whole hillside's all torched up there. Yeah, the pleasure trail comes right down under there, but we'll see. Oh yeah, the fire came right in over here and just fully engulfed in here. So this is kind of where it started. How do you get to the pleasure trail now? Pleasure trail's right there. So there's my nice sketchy line. Because I've actually done this before where you stop there and come over and ride the bottom of the pleasure trail. Well, I'm standing on the pleasure trail, and this is, from what I understand, this is right where the fire started. There's some bridges up here, and this is like the magic of the pleasure trail zone here. And I'm just walking through this burnt out spot. So it was apparently on one of these wooden bridges, but I don't know, walking's a bit of a challenge still. So yeah, it'll be hard to get up there. Now look at this. That started right here somewhere. That one's still good. There's some more ladders just over here. But they're hard to, it's really hard to walk through this zone. That one's still good. So yeah, anyway. Yeah, this must have been burning really hot right in here. It's smelly too. Smells like fire. So I'm actually shocked they opened this up to us, especially this side where the fire actually was. Because it's let's just walk this way. It was definitely burning in here hot. Wow. I guess lucky that's all that happened. But this ground will revitalize and probably grow better. So now what I've been told is that you really won't know the extent of the stability of the slope until we have a freeze thaw, because once it freezes and thaws, everything's gonna change complexity. So next year it might be a whole other story in this zone. It'd probably be closed for quite a while. So yeah. Oh well, let's get back to riding. Walking on this terrain is definitely a bit of a challenge, but it's part of the physio. But yeah, I just wanted to show everybody how it looks after the fire. And oh, what's this line now? Oh, this one goes into the pleasure trail. Ah, I see.